Are you ready to hang out with a knight? I am glad to make you two great friends. Yes. Oh yeah, stand behind me. Psst. Make sure you give her this. She loves this. Cause you have it. Oh. Hi, Papyrus. Ready for your extra private one-on-one training? I'm talking differently than how I usually do for her. You bet I am. And I brought a friend. Hi. Hi. I don't think we've... Oh, look at her face. Come in. Yeah, my friend brought you my friend brought you a gift for you. What? On their own. I'll put it with the others. That's a lot. Should we get started? I just remembered. I have to go to... What? You don't have fun. You jumped through the window?
What?
So why are you... Right? Yes, really? That's delightful, I accept. Well, like in the fields of friendship. Mahoney. Not. Why would I ever be friends with you? If you weren't my house guest, I'll beat you up right now. You're the enemy of everyone's hopes and dreams. I'll never be your friend. Now get out of my house. Dang, that's a shame. Next time I will be friends with you. I guess overestimated her. She's just not up to the challenge. Challenge? What? Fires, wait a second. Don't need to. I can't think I'd be friends with you. I can make friends with a win-lose person. I'll show him. Listen up, human. We're not just going to be friends. We're going to be the best of friends. I'll make you like me so much you won't be able to think of anyone else. It's the perfect revenge. Why don't you have a seat? Yeah. Sorry? What? Why? No, I'm not gonna drive. Oh, whoa. I know what I mean. What the? Hey, don't get up. Oh my. You just threw the spear at me. Why did you throw the... Oh, you want some hot chocolate? Are you sweating? Wait, I just remembered. That container's empty. I stopped getting it because it was always a hassle. That's why I kept getting marshmallow stuck in his beard. Oh, soda. Actually, even though you pointed to it, you don't look happy. That's fine. I think soda's gross too. It rots your teeth and rots your mind. It rots your fighting spirit. Huh? Why do I have it? What was that face? Gee, huh? Coming right up. It'll take a moment for the water to boil. Huh. Okay, it's done. There we are. Careful, it's hot. It's not that hot. Just drink it already. It's pretty good, right? I can't really taste it, but it does. Hey, we're best friends. Hey. What kind of strange you chose that tea? Golden flower tea. It's Oscar's favorite. Actually, now that I think about it, you kind of remind me of him. You both are totally sorta. Nope. I was pretty hot-headed, kid. Once you proved I was strongest, I tried to fight Asgore. And Insius tried. I couldn't land a single blow on him. And worse, the whole time, he refused to fight back. I was so humiliated. Afterwards, he apologized and said something goofy. Excuse me, did you want to know how to beat me? I said yes, and from then on, he trained me. One day during practice, I finally knocked him down. I felt bad, but he was beaming. I never seen someone so proud to get their butt kicked. Anyway, long story short, he kept training me. And now I'm the head of his royal guard. So I'm the one who trains dorks to fight. Like, Papyrus. But, to be honest, I don't know if I can never let Papyrus on the royal guard. Don't tell him I said that. He's just, well, I mean, it's not that he's weak. He's actually pretty freaking tough. It's just that he's too innocent and nice, which my friends keep on saying to me. I mean, look, he's supposed to capture you. He ended up bringing friends with you instead. I could never send him into battle. He'd get ripped into little smiling shreds. That's part of why I started teaching him how to cook, you know. So, maybe he can do something else with his life. Oh, sorry. I was talking for so long. You were out of tea, aren't you? I'll get you some more. Wait a second. Papyrus! His cooking lesson! He was supposed to be right here, right now! And he's not here to have it! You will have to have it for him! I'm sorry. That's right. Nothing that has rotten fires not closer than cooking. Which means if I give you this lesson, we'll become closer than you can even imagine. Afraid? We're gonna be best of friends. Okay. Let's start with the sauce. Imagine these vegetables as the greatest enemies. Now pound them to dust with your fist. I will think of them as Vincent. You knocked over a tomato. Yeah. Now our hearts are anything against these healthy ingredients. Yay, tomatoes. Now it's my turn. Yeah. Bam. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, you got tomatoes. Oh, we have tomatoes all over us. Yum. I like tomatoes. We'll just get scratch this up into a bowl later. But for now, we'll just add the noodles. Homemade noodles are the best. I just buy store brand. They're the cheapest. Yeah. Just put them in the pot. We'll put them in the first way, including the box. Yeah, I'm into it. Alright, now it's time to stir the pasta. They say come in the more you stir, the better it is. Already? Let's do it. Okay. Oh, my hands hurt. Oh my! No fair! I didn't have the spear to do it. Right now, we'll the final step. Turn up the heat. Let's get the stove as similar as it happens. Let your hopes and dreams burn into fire. Ready? Don't hold anything back. Hold it right. Turn up the heat. Okay. Okay, so keep on turning it till it burns. I'm cooking wrong! Wait, that's too... Of course that's too much. I burned everything. Well, everything's on fire. Man, no wonder boy sucks at cooking. I'm sorry. So what's next? Scrapbooking? Friendship bracelets? Scrapbooking sounds nice. Oh, who am I kidding? I really messed this up, didn't I? Yeah, I accidentally burned your house. I can't force you to be like me. Some people just don't get along with each other. I understand if you feel the same way about me. And if we can't be friends, that's okay. Because if we're not friends, it means I can destroy you without regret. What? I have defeated, my house is in shambles. I failed to befriend you. That's it. I don't care if you're my guest anymore. And let's finally match out both on both sides. There's no way I can regain my lost pride. Come on, hit me with all you got. Nah. Fake attack. Wait, what? 1. What? That's the best you can manage? Even attacking at full force? You can't even master any intent to hurt me? You know what? Actually, no, want to hurt you either. At first, I hated your stupid staring, but the way you hit me right now, it reminded me of someone I used to train with. Now I know you aren't just some wimpy loser. You are a wimpy loser with a big heart, just like him.